Hello, it's night 2 from 530 Grant Avenue. You probably noticed that I am in the same clothes that I wore yesterday, and I've started in the bathroom so I can look at the reflection, make sure you can see me. Didn't get a whole lot of work done this evening. Let me show you. Tim came by, brought me dinner, helped me sand some of the patches, all the patches on the wall, and we did finish the taping. So this room is ready to paint, which is the good news. I don't think I'm going to do anything else tonight because I'm really tired. Do you want to know why I'm really tired? Let me tell you. I slept on this lovely air mattress last night, which was very comfortable. However, I didn't know that air mattresses do not hold heat, and I was very cold. So I ended up sleeping in pants, a shirt, a sweatshirt. I had the thermostat, my lovely new thermostat, by the way. Okay, slept in all that. It was 72 degrees. Now normally I like the thermostat on 66. And I finally ended up with sleeping in my house slippers. And I took this lovely bathroom rug right here. It's new, but I picked it up and put it down on the bed and then put my feet on top of it in order to retain some heat around my feet before they turned into icicles and fell off. So, a little tip. Air mattresses, not so warm. So you want to have some extra protection when using an air mattress. Say, for instance, socks, socks. I forgot to pack them, so I stopped by Walmart, bought some socks. And a nice lovely new blanket that I will be putting under me to sleep tonight. And I think I'll be sleeping pretty soon because I am really tired because I was really cold last night. So, signing off from night 2 from 530 Grant Avenue. Night 3 will probably not be until Saturday, and tonight is Wednesday because I'm going to actually go home to where I live and see my husband tomorrow after work, and my dogs and my cat. So, signing off for now. I don't know if I can figure out how to turn it off.